This is my Dahon Mu folding bike, and I've made a bunch of improvements and upgrades to it to make it more comfortable and more functional. So I'm just going to go front to back or back to front here and tell you just what exactly I've added on to Dahon Mu here in the lovely Los Angeles River. So let's get started here and take a look at this water bottle cage. So it's a Velcro water bottle cage made by Concord, which is a Walmart brand. You can get these for about $10 at Walmart. And then that's a Work Pro rechargeable USB headlight on there. And then this SKS fender kit I bought directly from Dahon, but I believe you can buy them from SKS as well, or from bike parts dealers. And it's a nice wide fender with a big rubber flap on the back of it to really keep you dry when you're driving through slime like you would if you were in the LA River. And then this suspension seat post is super long. This is the only manufacturer I could find that makes a super long seat post. I'll put a link in the description if you're looking for one of these. It really makes a difference, especially with the skinny tires I'm running. And then this Explora seat by Selle Royale has just the right firmness of gel. I really like their gel seats for being comfortable, but being able to do long miles, and they're not too squishy. And then this Outworks folding luggage bag is fantastic for hauling groceries. And also that luggage rack on the back came directly from Dahon. It's a tall luggage rack. Some folding bike luggage racks are short, but I went with the taller, bigger one. And if we unfold that Outworks bag, you can see I can haul a ton of groceries with it as well. Not a literal ton. People get mad at me when I say a ton. It's not an actual ton. But you can see on the back of the bag, it's got different mounting brackets for those hooks. So I've set the hooks up so that it rides really as far back from my feet as I could possibly put it. And then it's got Velcro straps on there that keep it from bouncing off of the road as well. So these straps kind of keep it in place and keep it from jumping off. And then there's also a bungee cord hook down at the bottom that I've got hooked onto the luggage rack to keep it securely in place. And that's what it looks like when I'm pedaling. I have to put my feet in the middle of the pedals, but these are size 13 feet, so it works. And then if I'm pedaling with my toes here and the bag is folded up, I don't have any problem pedaling on my toes. And then if we take a look at the bounce in the seat, you can see I'm exaggerating the bounce there, but that really smooths out the ride, that suspension seat post. And this is what the luggage rack looks like with no luggage on it. You can see there's a lot of different rails and bars and things that you can hook things onto. So there's a lot of versatility with that rack. It also gets things up and away from your heels, so you have more of a chance to put things on it. And then there's a couple of places there where you could hook things into it, and even a hole where you could bolt something onto it. So very versatile rack from Dahon, rear luggage rack, the extra tall version. And I have a Concord rear light that is rechargeable with a USB cord. That's from Walmart as well. And all that crap on it still isn't too heavy, and I can still do bicep curls with the folding bike, and it still folds up into a pretty nice small package with all that on it. So those are the improvements I've made to my e-bike to make it just more roadworthy, more LA worthy, I guess, if I want to ride around on the potholed streets and the cracks and the bumps and take a ride down the river. And it was a great day on the river. Lots of things. Look, there's a single croc there. There's some soccer balls. It's free ball day at the river. So you never know what kind of treasures you're going to find. It's a good thing I brought my luggage with me. I can fill it up with all this stuff and hopefully not get the hepatitis while I'm doing it. So if you're looking to improve your folding bike, check the links in the description. Thanks for watching.